Vocabulary building journey with the letter E is a mini lesson. In this mini lesson, you will explore an engaging technique that will help you extend and expand your vocabulary using the first letter of your name. In this example, the first letter of your name is E, and your name is Emily. Just as your name, Emily, represents your identity, the first letter E can be a powerful key to unlock a world of new words and expressions. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a collection of carefully selected words that start with the initial letter of E, or in your case, your initial. Let's go. Say out loud your first name and the first letter of your name. Selecting your initial is the first step for Emily was to choose the initial letter of E. This is the foundation for building the vocabulary. Emily will focus only on the letter E. Brainstorming core words. Take a moment to think about some common words that start with the letter E. These will be your core words. For example, E core words could include enthusiastic, energetic, and empowering. Thesaurus exploration, only if you have time. Now, let's elevate your core words. If your core word is enthusiastic, synonyms could be passionate, eager, and ardent. Step 4, expanding into related concepts. Consider related concepts, emotions, or actions connected to your core words. With the initial of E, you could explore words like empowering, or you could explore concepts like inspiration, motivation, and encouragement. Step 5, putting words into sentences. To solidify your understanding of these new words, craft sentences featuring them. E as in Emily. This process will help you remember word meanings and usage. An example of a great sentence could be, Emily embarked on an adventurous journey to explore uncharted lands. You've done it. Congratulations. You've just completed a vocabulary enhancing adventure by using the first letter of your name. Remember, words are like colors of a palette. By using them skillfully, you can paint vibrant pictures with your speech and writing. Keep nurturing your vocabulary and embracing the beauty of language exploration.